I'm Thomas Limberis, and I'm a full-time instructor here at the college as well as the program coordinator for the welding department. The way that welding has been taught for the last 100 years is we got about 10 to 15 students who are standing around one instructor, and we're trying to look at something about the size of a quarter. Only one or two students can really see what we're doing.
My name is Anthony Bellavia. I'm one of the other full-time instructors. So as you can see on one of these machines, you have about a body's worth of a visual space. So if I'm in here doing a setup on the machine, the students have no way of actually seeing what I'm physically doing without, trying to just kind of move out of the way.
We want to make sure that going into this new space, that it was designed for teaching in the industry that we're in.
Now we're going to have 4 different welding areas for demonstration, and we're going to have cameras set up. And so the students will be able to watch what we're doing on 2 big screen TVs.
In that new building, once we have all that space, now we can triple or even quadruple our machine count. The biggest thing too is the technology that we're implementing into this building. So now every machine is going to have a camera attached to it. So I'm going to have the ability to then project what I'm doing in the machine on the wall, so then every single student can see exactly what I'm doing.
Being able to record yourself as you give a lecture, being able to have a camera on yourself as you give a demonstration so all of your students can see it.
It's going to allow me to teach in the way that I've always dreamed of.
In essence, it'll transform it. We're really looking forward to this new space.
In industry, obviously every single student's going to have essentially their own machine, their own responsibilities. We want to develop the same thing here, because then every student gets more time on the machine, which means more time to perfect their craft.
It's really going to help them learn in the best way possible.
We're going to have a lot of new technologies that blend well with industry. It'll make us relevant. It'll give us opportunities to work across disciplines, making sure that we mirror what industry is doing so that when our students leave here, they can find gainful employment.